Them dang spiders been at it again. Let me show you what they done this time. They didn't come in here, put spider webs on both the door panels. Both of them. Suckers. But hey, they did leave me a little cup holder, a little pouch to put stuff on both sides. Man. I guess they're sitting back there in the daytime, hiding out, watching me, taking notes, seeing how I do stuff, and they figured they'd come do it like I'd want it with that cup holder and that pouch in there. So, hey, I might put them on the payroll. Yeah. Yeah, it ain't too bad. They done all right. That'll work. Hey, maybe I could leave them a few days. They'd come back and maybe they'll finish all the interior with spider webs. That'd be nice. They'd do all of it. I'm glad they did that, because hey, it'd take me 2 days to make them door panels. 2 days. That's what it takes. Yeah, my shifter throw is too far. Goes from all the way back there to all the way up there. But hey, lucky for me, I made plenty of adjustments under the bottom on the linkage. So yeah, I'm gonna fix that right now. No problem. You can see right there on the bottom of the shifter, I got 1, 2, 3, 4 holes. It's in the top hole now, which is why it's so long with throw. Also, I got 3 holes on the transmission end. Okay, I just simply moved that linkage down a couple holes on the transmission. I mean on the shifter. And moved it down. I got 4 notches on the transmission, moved it down 1 notch. No. Yeah, I might have moved it down 1 notch. Anyway, I got it shifting like I want now. Anyway, I got a bunch of notches. And then I got plenty of adjustments. Yeah, throw. Lot shorter throw now. Yeah, that'll work. That's more better. Yeah, the driver's side. Spider web door panels. Imagine that. Oh yeah, I got this bad boy here in. 650 CFM double pumper, dual feed, double pumper, manual secondary. It means when you mash on it, all 4 barrels are going to open and it's going to squirt a bunch of gas down in there to get it going. Yeah. Electric choke. Yeah, I've been wanting to try one of these. This is the economy. They call it a die-cast carburetor. I thought all of them was die-cast, but this cool. Got little slight glasses on both sides. But no, it don't have them on this side. There's one side. Yeah. You know, I guess my brother has been watching my videos, because after I posted that first crank video and seen the carburetor bad, said I was going to buy a new carburetor, he called me up a couple of days after that. He said, "Hey Robert," he called me Robert. He said, "Hey Robert, you got You ain't got an old extra Holly, old single speed Holly laying around there I can get some parts off of, huh? So I think you're watching my video. I said, yeah, I got one now, I got one for parts. No, I love my brother. If it wouldn't be for him, I wouldn't be doing all this, because back in the 60s, I was just a teenager. I probably was 12, 13 years old. I don't know, I was young, probably younger than that. Might have been 8 or 10 years old. But yeah, probably so, because the early 60s. I was born in '54. I was probably 8, 9 years old. He had a 32 Ford coupe. Somebody put he got it, it had a V8 Oldsmobile, it was either Buick or Oldsmobile automatic transmission, I think 4-speed automatic. And it was a rat rod back before they even called them a rat rod, because it didn't have no, man, that's a good door. Because it didn't have no fenders on it. It looked kind of something like this. Didn't have no fenders on it. I don't think he had no hood or nothing on it either. But it was a coupe, it wasn't a sedan. Had a little old bench seat just wide enough for me and him both. He said he remember when I'd be sitting right beside him when I'd get it with him, because there wasn't room just for 2 people. And that was it. Yeah, so that right there, from then on, I was a hot rod enthusiast. I mean, that got me, that 32 coupe he had. I mean, even when I was that young, I mean, I remember pretty much like it was yesterday, riding that thing. All you got to do is mash on it and it light the tires up. He cut donuts out in the highway, everything. He was pretty wild back in the day. I guess that's where I get it from him. Yeah. Okay, I'm at my brother's house in Louisiana. Got the old 454 Rat Recon here. Souping it up some. This is my older brother, Coy. He's 11 years older than me. He's better looking. He don't look as old as I do. And he's a lot smarter than me. Yeah. But he loves doing this stuff just as much as I do. But anyway, he inspired me to build this car. So I got that carburetor, so we're gonna be doing another crank video here in a day or two. I guess I'll call it second crank, since the first crank was well, it wasn't a complete failure, but it was kind of a failure. But we're gonna do a second crank, and hopefully we have better luck this time. I hope them, you see that number 2, number 8 wasn't even firing. It get so much gas in them cylinders, they wasn't even firing. So hopefully it didn't kill them 2 spark plugs. I don't know if I got any extra spark plugs. I had to run to town and get them if they ain't hitting. But I'm gonna put that carburetor on there, and I got a new fuel pump, because this fuel pump was leaking gas too. Around here, I ain't never seen one leak there, but this one was leaking there. So I'm gonna put a new fuel pump on it, put that carburetor on it. We're gonna try it again. All right, appreciate you.